is the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, it's Cryptobio Analysis coming at you with an update video on Cardano. So this video is for Doc 100. Thank you so much for the membership. And yeah, so to answer your question, I bought OXT here. Like this coin, like we made some pretty crappy plays, right? So I remember buying it here and not selling and basically losing money. Like how bad is it? Like when it goes up, you think it's going to go up forever. You think it's impossible for it to come back down to these lows, and you just completely miss out and you lose everything. So that's unfortunate. I definitely lost my share of money on OXT, but I still do believe in it. I think I'm not saying you should buy this. I would. There's other coins that are better, but like Cardano is a good coin. It's a blue chip coin, and yeah, I mean it's really important for like when you're saying you're going to pick up Dogecoin at 6-7 cents. Let's look into that and see. You know, it's so important to have your bag not buy until it's in the red, right? Because then you're not overexposing yourself and just going all in. Like that's what I did the first time around in 2018. I bought XLM and then I went all in. The market goes down 10% and then you just get chopped up. So yeah, I'm gonna make this video Doge and Cardano, but since those are the two coins you're looking at, so let's look at Dogecoin for example. So from this high to the low, we said resistance is this. This box, which clearly we're in right now. So you already have your Dogecoin, right? So yeah, just sit back, enjoy it. You know that it's 10 to 12 cents is resistance. So as long as you're looking at your phone, you're like, okay, I don't care. Like it's at 12 cents, whatever, it doesn't matter. We're still in this channel. Even if we come up, we're probably gonna get rejected and come back down, right? Support levels are going to be the next area of support in a big move down. The 618 is support, but I'd say that this area is huge. This area is the must that needs to hold. It's around 7 cents 67. So, you know, say you have your position in Dogecoin. You're not even worried about it, right? Because you have your coins. If it goes up, it goes up. What is it? Like people are saying it's going to go to $1 to, actually, let me see. So, yeah, last time monster run. Yeah, some people are saying what, $1? I think it's gonna go up to, yeah. So my range for Dogecoin this bull run is, if I had Dogecoin, I would start selling at 75 cents and I would always have a little bit in case it goes to $4. So just keep that in mind. As of today, that's around a 5 to 36x. So just keep that in mind. This is these are the targets on the way up. 75 cents previous high, and then $4.11 because it's a resistance point up here, and there's little to no resistance when Dogecoin goes into price discovery mode. Clearly we can see that happened last time. So what is it, like here to here? Once we broke the 1618, we flew all the way past the 2618, and same here again. So do I think it's going to go that high? No, because it's already at like what is it at? 16 billion market cap. So, you know, 36x would still put it at like over 100 billion market cap. And I think as coins get heavier in the market cap, it's going to be more and more money to push it. It's going to be harder to push it. So you have your Dogecoin, you're going to let it ride. And then if you look at your phone and you see Dogecoin at like 7 cents, 7.6, then that's when you're like, oh wow, like what a great opportunity to buy. And keep in mind that if it does go down that low, if it actually does go down that low, the RSI is no doubt going to be in the oversold area. So that is a huge capitulation. So that is around 32%. So it is going to be closer to oversold. Is it going to be all the way in the red? We never know, because we have to actively look at it and see when it actually does register low. So that's the labor intensive part of it, is you just have to always have it up and look at it, and you can kind of gauge it from there. But that is a good plan. That's a good solid plan. 7 cents, 7.6, so 7.5 cents, whatever, is a good area to buy, and you just let the rest ride. And now Cardano, we're going to do the same thing for Cardano. And these are top 25 coins. Like these are all blue chip coins, so they're not bad. But I'm a degen, so like that means that I'm in this, like I'm trying to get something that goes like a 100x, right? And that's the risk I'm willing to take. That's a risk I'm willing to take. So that's why, this is too rich for me. Like this is this is way too rich for me, because the market cap's already at 16 billion. Dogecoin's market cap, Dogecoin's market cap is at 16 billion. Cardano's market cap is at 13 billion. So it's only so much higher, I think, that they can go. But they're good coins. I mean, these moves are huge, right? So if you sell them, like this move is, 2 to 3x. So you put $1,000, you take out $2,400. Like that's a pretty good return. But the hard part is selling it. So let's look at the RSI and the stock RSI. So yeah, clearly we're coming up, and so let's look at resistance at this point. This looks like it wants to fly, but just like Dogecoin, you see how we're stuck at we're stuck in this box. So we're stuck at resistance right now. So nothing, and unless we get a lot of volume in right now and this thing pushes up out of here, then this thing's gonna go flying. We're gonna get a massive move up. Areas of support though are going to be the 786. Yeah, so this is a little bit different. It's around 30 cents. And for whatever reason, if 30 cents doesn't hold, we are going to go back and retest these lows. Cardano's a little bit different because it really didn't recover as good as Dogecoin. But relatively speaking, in the market, it is doing better than most coins. So just keep in mind, 35 to 42 cents is resistance. Once we break that, we're going back up to 79. So same concept. You have your coins, let it run. For whatever reason, if we do go back down, I don't think that is this also 30%? Okay, it's like 20%. Yeah, so I don't think a 20% capitulation is going to necessarily put it in the red, but it is going to curl it down. But so if I have my coins, I would personally wait until I could get it for as cheap as possible, which would be down here. So maybe we go back down, we validate this downtrend, and you could pick back up, consolidate, and then it gets up on out of here, right? So you let your coins ride, and for whatever reason, if it comes back down to I would say 23 cents to 27 cents, this would be a good area of support and a good area to buy if you have Cardano, if your dollar cost averaging down and you want to pick up more. So I would personally wait for this point. So and that's a huge capitulation. That would be around almost 40%, which would definitely put this in the red. Okay, and that might mark the bottom, and we might double bottom and then just get up on out of here from here. So that's what I see. Those are my targets. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your support. I hope this all made sense. I know it's a lot of information, but that's just my opinion and what I'm seeing. Now, to answer your question about actually the burning question you had, no, I personally don't know of any, but also I don't really use Coinbase and Gemini. I don't use the swaps or Bitmart or anything like that. I actually use centralized exchanges. I think those are the best. And I try to find low market cap with high potential, or things that coins that are that have really good potential and they're building out. And I like meme coins, so I have my share of meme coins too. So I think the closest thing that you're probably thinking of is Shiba Inu. So Shiba is a really good. What is this? That's not Shiba Inu. Yeah, Shiba Inu is a really good coin because they burn coins. They have Shibarium. They have the metaverse. There's a lot. There's a lot. They have a Shiba swap, and they burn coins. So Shiba's only, and you can see it's fully diluted. You can see it's 8.9 billion, 8.9 billion. I really think that Shiba Inu is going to overtake Dogecoin this bull run. I think Shiba Inu has more potential. It has more use case. They built so many platforms like the metaverse, virtual reality, Shibarium, Shiba Swap. They have Bone and Leash. There's just a lot, staking. There's a lot of things that you could do with Shiba Inu. They don't do profit sharing or burn sharing or anything like that. But it's good to have a coin like this because it's deflationary. But it is going to take a long time for it to obviously go down. But and I think you can actually see on their website. Where is this? Shit, Ecos. Oh man, Shibarium. No. You can actually see on their website their burns. So let me see. Burn. No. I remember there was a little place that you could click and you could see how many coins are burned every single day or every single week, and it's really interesting to see. So it's pretty cool to know that. But yeah, that's what I think. Please like, subscribe, comments. Thank you so much for your support. I'll catch you in the next video.